Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To change the H4 high and low beam bulbs, grab the black power connector and pull it. Remove the rubber cover which is around the bulb. To take out the bulb, you have to move the lip on the holding spur outwards. Rotate the clip to the left and remove the bulb.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Put the rubber cover back. And reconnect the power connection. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb board and make a turn anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.